Hi guys! In today's highly requested video, I'm going to be showing you the real deal hair products that help my hair grow longer, thicker, healthier, super fast, and how you guys can grow your hair super long, thick, fast as well. And to be fair, none of these hair products are sponsored, so thumbs up for that and comment down below your favorite hair products so we can share in the comment section, and let's begin. Just a disclaimer, there is no heat on my hair in this video, okay? That's how healthy it is, and even my baby hairs are growing. Also, I'm saving some of my favorite ones for the end, so keep watching. Starting off with the two things we all need. You guys know I'm always changing out my shampoos and conditioners, but wow, this one is amazing. It's from Nexus, and I have two different versions. I have the protein infused shampoo, which smells so good. It leaves my hair so insanely soft and never dry. I hate drying shampoos. And with the protein, it really helps to rebuild your hair. Now for soft, healthy, and of course fast growing hair, which you guys will see more products for that specifically later in the video, this humectress conditioner is it, you guys. I love the combination with the shampoo. It's nourishing. It's supposed to rebuild broken bonds and leave your hair protected and soft, and it works. Next, one of the cheapest products and my go-to deep conditioners is this Argan Oil of Morocco. Oh my gosh, you guys, it is so creamy. It smells so good, and for the price, you guys just can't go wrong. And as you guys will see later in the video, I do a lot of dry hair masks, but this one I apply after shampooing. I'll leave it on for about 20 to 30 minutes, especially if I'm just taking a bath, shaving, doing my exfoliating routine, and then I will rinse it out and add a little more of the conditioner you'll see later in the video after. By the way, my neighbors were making so much noise throughout this video. I was shook. So next up is this Kerastase Thermal Protecting Lotion, and this is filled with just so much goodness, and I use this whether I'm going to be blow drying, straightening, or using heat on my hair or not, because a little hack is even if you go out in the sun, take a walk, go in a sauna, go anywhere with heat on your hair, it is important to protect it so it doesn't get damaged. It doesn't just have to be from hot tools, so I like to apply that on damp hair every day, and I have two kinds I'll list below. Next up, okay, this is an extreme. You guys have seen me use this in my DIYs. I will link the videos here where I've used it, but this is the Repair and Strengthening Olaplex. Olaplex is actually used for people who bleach their hair, have severely broken hair, and it rebonds and majorly helps my hair grow. Oh my gosh, you guys, this mixed with the castor oil and oils I'm about to show you, ooh, it's like another level of hair growth and hair strengthening. Next is one of my DIY go-tos, and that is castor oil. Oh my goodness, you guys, I have applied this on my roots, on my baby hairs. I will link a ton of videos where I use it down below or like right up here, but castor oil is amazing for growing super long hair super fast. Sometimes I notice instant results with castor oil. I also love coconut oil, but as you guys can see, castor oil is like a very thick, gooey consistency. I'll link my favorite coconut oil down below as well. Next up with oils, you guys, I love oils for growing your hair super long. This is the Moroccan Oil, and this works as a great treatment, especially if you're not going to be using heat on your hair that day. I like to do this when I wear my hair like how I am now, and it's so important, you guys, to always add oils to your hair if you want it to grow, and that heat protecting lotion. If you guys take anything away from this video, take that. Also, for a ton of natural home hair growth remedies, check out my links below. Thumbs up this video, and if you like the little rings in this video, they're actually from Viva Ma City. I'll link their stuff down below. And thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up the video. Let me know how your hair journey goes, and comment down below what your favorite products are. Don't forget to check my social media down below. Mwah.